Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If, like me, you were a fan of the Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants books when you were a teenager, then you have to check out Sisterhood Everlasting by Ann Brashares. This book picks up on the four girls that we got to know and love in the Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants series, Tibby and Lena and Bridget and Carmen, only it's 10 years later. So they've grown up and they are facing some of the same and some different challenges that life brings us when we grow up and we get older. I love this book so much because I grew up reading Ann Brashares and I grew up with these four girls. I feel like I literally grew up with them. Those books were so important to me when I was a teenager. And then now being an adult and getting to read about these characters 10 years later is just really, really amazing. This book is all about friendship and love and how time can sometimes change that and alter it, but how it grows and it blooms into something really, really beautiful. If you have read the Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants series and you're wondering what happened to these four girls later on, I highly recommend checking out this book, but that's just my point of view.